everyone, this is Angie Scott with It Pays to Fish podcast and No Bananas Outfitters. And I'm out here in the dead of winter. I do have a line out. This is a cool little thing I got online, and we might start selling these at some point at No Bananas Outfitters because I love it so much. I've caught so many fish, and you can be doing whatever you want, and it triggers when you get a bite, the line, it sets the hook for you, and then it keeps tension with those springs on the fish until you're able to get over there and play it. So it's a pretty cool deal. But anyway, we are here. That's not why we're here today. We are here because I have just started my journey to get my captain's license, which is part of my overall plan for No Bananas Outfitters. Eventually, I want to be able to take groups out on tours or whatever they want to do out on the lake on my little Apex Marine Quest pontoon. So I decided the best way to go about this was to take a course through the Mariner's Learning System and do the Captain in a Box. And I just got mine in the mail. I did cut it open, but I have not gone through it yet. I wanted to go through it with you for the first time so you could see what all you get when you start your 6-pack captain's course through Mariner's Learning System. I have already started online. They do allow you to start online. You could do the entire course online, but they also send you this as well, so you have some physical materials to work with. So I just want to go through and show you what all you get on this very cold day, but it's not that bad because I've got on my trusty No Bananas Outfitters ice fishing beanie, which really, really keeps you warm. I got Sophie, my dog, out here with her little hoodie on to stay warm. And here we go. So, alright, like I said, I already cut the box open. Looks like I got it upside down, maybe. It's hard to do one-handed. I wish I had a better way, but I really wanted to do this out on the lake. Okay, I got a little packing slip here. Bubble wrap. This looks like a user's manual. Just a little printout packet. Gives you a checklist and application forms that you need to print out. The link is there. So I'll read through that. I guess it's just a way to keep track of your progress. Alright, now here's the actual Captain in a Box. So let me put this down. I just pulled out the actual Captain in a Box, and this is supposed to be everything you need to get your captain's license. Now I've already started a few lessons online before, and it's been going pretty well. I enjoy the way they've got it laid out. It's a lot to learn, don't get me wrong. There's a lot of things that probably are never going to be applicable to me out here on the lake, but regardless, it's a requirement of the Coast Guard, so I don't really have a choice. And it's interesting, I enjoy learning if I ever do go to the ocean or something and see some of these boats, or even the rivers. I mean, a lot of it applies to the riverways, and I'll know exactly what these boats are doing as they go based on the lights and the flags and sounds and all that stuff. So it's pretty cool. It's interesting. But anyway, let's get to actually opening up the box. Alright, so it's a nice box too. It's got a handle on it, so it's a nice little way to keep all your stuff together and keep it stored. So we've got first thing in here on top is the parallel rulers with the protractor. So I guess that's when you get into chart plotting. I haven't gotten that far yet. That would be a little handy tool to have. Then we've got several books. So we've got Navigational Rules of the Road, which is the part that I've been already going through online so far. So I guess it's pretty much the same thing, it looks like, as the online information, but in a book form, which, might be nice if you prefer that. I've got another book here, Seamanship for the Mariner, and that's much thicker than the first book. So I guess that's how this is laid out, is in different modules. So Navigational Rules of the Road, I believe, is Module 1. So this must be Module 2, which is a little thicker. And then we've got Navigation for the Mariner. So my guess is that that's where the parallel ruler is going to come into play for sure. That book isn't quite as thick as the Seamanship book, which is probably a good thing. And then finally, looks like the last, oh no, there's a couple other things under here. We've got reference materials, which I'm sure will be very helpful. Over here real quick. No bites yet, by the way, nothing going on here. I'm going for catfish because that's probably about all I'm gonna get to bite where I'm at right now. And I've got some pepperoni on the hot dogs is usually my go-to for catfish, but I didn't have any, so I went with pepperoni. But yeah, here's a quick flip through of the reference book, tide tables, tidal current tables. All right. Then we've got maritime law, which is always good to know. Don't get in trouble out there. Let's see, flip through this. I'm sure it's a bunch of the laws. A lot of this is probably a review for some of the other lessons that we go through in the other modules. Probably just a summary of the laws. What you need for safety. And then we've got a map. I'm not gonna get it all unfolded now, but I'm sure this is what we use for the chart plotting sequence. Pretty cool. You don't have to buy all this stuff extra. It comes all together in one nice little packet. And then, some more plotting tools in this little box here. Let's see what's inside. Got pencils. We got a nice little fixed point divider. I know from my boating crew training for the Coast Guard Auxiliary, we definitely use those for our chart plotting exercises. Pencil sharpener, the Mariner's Learning System logo on it, nice little eraser, and a couple pencils. So stuff you probably already have, except for maybe the fixed point divider, but stuff you'll need either way. So they give you everything you need right here in this nice little package. Pretty cool. I definitely recommend going through Mariner's Learning System if you're going to try to get your captain's license. It's a lot of stuff to learn, and you want to be sure if you're going to take the test that you're going to pass it, because most people probably have to travel a little ways to go to a testing center to take it, and you don't want to waste your time and money and effort for, if you don't have all the materials down. I mean, these guys are the authority. They wrote the test, so there's probably no better learning system out there than Mariner's Learning System. So highly recommend it. I'll keep you posted through the podcast on my journey. As I said, right now I've just started. I wanted to film this video now before I actually probably get to this point in the podcast, but I wanted you guys to actually see the true unboxing and really go through this journey with me. So I'm going to continue on with the online classes and use these materials that came in this box as well. So we'll keep you posted. Check out the It Pays to Fish podcast on iTunes, the website at paystofish.com, and check us out on nobananasoutfitters.com as well. Hope you guys enjoyed the unboxing video. I don't think anyone else has done one yet. And if you want to sign up for the Mariners Learning System, there will be a link down below. So check it out.